Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got another unboxing for you and it is Glossybox. Now I've already uploaded a little mini spoiler short on here, but I've been away and I've come back to a few different boxes to unbox, and this is one of them. This was kindly sent to me as a PR sample. There's a code available which is Glossy, and that will entitle you to receive an extra freebie when you take out a subscription. But if you want to learn more about the subscription, then carry on watching. If you want to skip forward all the information and you just want to see what's inside this box, this is one of two boxes, two different box designs this month, but the products are roughly the same. Then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. All links, all codes, any offers, limited editions, advent calendars, anything related to Glossybox, you'll find down below in my description. And yeah, aren't these beautiful? I've got the purple one. Purple is my favourite colour. I absolutely adore this one. I would have been happy with the other one as well. It's a blue zodiac themed box. One for my shelves anyway. Glossybox have different price ranges. If you take out a monthly, month-to-month subscription where you can cancel any month, that'll cost you £14.75, and they offer a 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. If you take out a 12-month subscription, then the cost reduces down to £11.50. Now they've brought in pay up front, which you are able to bring the cost down even further if you opt for a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription. Glossybox, then you'll find around 5 beauty treats ranging from anything beauty related: hair care, skincare, body care, makeup tools, and sometimes we get the odd freebie in there as well. But each box is themed and you're able to have a few spoilers at the start of the month if you're not sure whether to subscribe or not, which is why they send me the boxes so I can upload a video. It's just I've been away for the first week in October and it's only now I'm able to share with you. If there's anything you want to know, then please ask away. So let's get on to opening this up and seeing what's inside. As this is a PR box, I got a little card here and it just mentions about Glossy. The code Glossy will give you a surprise at checkout. Then we got a QR code which will give you all the information you need for these boxes, these written in the stars October boxes. Extra information about the products then. I love the colour inside the brow, really pretty. I just tipped everything upside down. You're not going to be able to see anything there. Surrounding this month's theme, whatever your star sign, our goal is to get you sparkling with confidence, just like the night sky. Beautiful or haunting, which look will you reveal? Be adventurous and let your star sign decide by utilising our beauty recommendations for your sign or someone else's if you're feeling especially rebellious. Those are the boxes there. It's pretty, isn't it, that one? But yeah. I'll go through all the contents of my box, then I'll have a look back on the press release I was sent at the start of the month to see if there's any different variations, because sometimes the boxes can vary. Starting off, we have got a Steve Laurent. This is a lip oil in Orchid. Ooh, I wonder if this is a shade. It's like an off pink. It's like an off pink there, can you see? It doesn't look like it's got anything there. Maybe it's the colour of the bottle then. I can't remember now. We have received this in a Glossybox before and a few different products from Steve Laurent. I'm sure we've had this one, but it's a lip oil anyway. This is worth £16 and it's full size. Swipe up on this lip oil for soft hydrated lips with an eye-catching sheen, non-sticky and comfortable to wear. What more could you want? There's that. Next we've got a product from Bibi. This is an eye plump Bakuchiol eye cream and there's 15 mils there. Rich overnight eye treat. Oh, it's an overnight eye treatment with Bakuchiol, hyaluronic acid and broccoli seed oil to plump, firm and hydrate the delicate eye area. Broccoli seed. I don't think I've heard of that before. You're not going to see much there. I just wanted to try it. Doesn't smell like veg. Banish lines, wrinkles and dry skin around the eyes with this vegan Bibi eye plump. Enhance the sparkle and firm up your skin with this natural formula of broccoli extract and evening primrose oil. You will either receive what I've got here, which is a Frizz Fixer spray, and there's 50 mils. This is by Percy and Reed. Or you will receive a Turn Up the Volume dry shampoo. They're both minis and they're both worth £7.50. To buy the full size 200 mils, it will both cost you £15. It's light, easy to use spray, perfect for those busy schedules. Will ensure that frizz is fixed and you look fresher for longer. Let's give it a go on my hair. smells nice. I haven't used this product before. I've used dry shampoo. Whoa, that really got to me then. I've tried the shampoos, I've tried their Wonder Balms, I've tried, where else have I tried? Mousses and things. I do really like this brand, but I haven't tried this before. But yeah, my hair just needs a good brush, basically. So you'll either get a Frizz fixer spray or a dry shampoo. It's showing me all the variations here, so I don't need to look back on the press release. This next item, you'll receive one of 3. So this one, oh my gosh, Neroli and Tangerine. What are you? It's a body wash. Let the feeling of this calm moisturising body wash hydrate and nourish your skin. 100 ml by Bubble Tea. Oh my gosh. This is going to smell amazing. I know. Ooh, I love Neroli. It's not as strong scented as I thought it would be, but it's still nice. I don't want to do it too much because it'll shoot up my nose. yeah, it's already dribbling. Never mind. So you'll either receive what I've got or a pink body wash. What is a pink body wash? No difference. It's exactly the same as this. Neroli and Tangerine, but it's pink. Oh, look at this. Sorry about that. I don't know why the lights are doing that, but they're all worth £9.99. So you'll receive a pink one of these or a green one of these, exactly the same, or a coconut body lotion. And then lastly, last item in the box, we've got a warming eye mask. And this is by Beauty Pro, Relaxing Chamomile Self-Warming Eye Mask. And if you've never used one of these before, they are really lovely. I'm not going to take it out of the packet. As soon as I mess around with it, it activates the heat and I don't want to waste it. But yeah, you literally take it out of the packet, hook it behind your ears and it warms up and it lasts a long while actually. It doesn't send me off to sleep, but it does help if I've got a headache or if I just want to de-stress. We have got quite a few of these different brands lying around the house. Both myself and my daughter love them. So yeah, really happy to have another one. These retail for £5. Escape the hustle and bustle and enjoy 20 minutes of warmth and peacefulness with this Beauty Pro warming eye mask. I wear them for longer than 20 minutes. Infused with chamomile, sit back and relax as the mask soothes your eyes and cleanses your mind. The perfect companion after a long day at work. So there you go. And then it tells you all about the star signs. I'm a Cancerian. Let's just flick that to see what it says about me. Cancer is a crab, but it doesn't mean you're crabby. It's associated with being sensitive, creative, compassionate, and cautious. Okay. I'm looking now to see if we've got any sneak peeks for next month. Okay, for November, we've got a Rock and Glam edition beauty box, but no sneak peek. No sneak peek there. Then we've got a grooming kit coming up as well. Something for the men. And that is it. I can't tell you anymore. I'll just give you a recap showing you what's in the box. You've got a Bubble Tea bath wash. You'll either receive this one, exactly the same but in pink packaging, or a Bubble Tea coconut lotion. We've got a Steve Laurent lip oil in orchid. We've got a Percy & Reed Frizz Fixer spray. You'll either receive this one or a dry shampoo. Next we've got a Bibby eye plump, an overnight eye cream. Then lastly, a Beauty Pro warming eye mask. This spray is still getting to me and I only sprayed a little bit. It's gone right down my throat. Some sprays are like that though, aren't they? But yeah, it's just horrible feeling. It makes me want to cough. But anyway, quite happy to see what that's like with my hair, especially my halo extensions, just to see what it's like, whether it'll stop the frizz. Steve Laurent lip oil, I've had them before in different boxes and I've had it before in a glossy box as well. The brand is not a brand that I rate that much, but that's just me personally, that's my personal opinion. What else have we got? The Bubble Tea, I can't wait to smell that on my body. Neroli and Tangerine, yeah, really, really gorgeous. Eye mask, handy, got a selection of them now, use them regularly, yeah, really happy with that. And then the eye cream as well, an overnight eye cream, that sounds really nice, from the brand Bibby. Plus the Zodiac design, I think is beautiful, definitely a keepsake box. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Did you get the same as me? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. Even if you think, nah, it's not for me this month, I'd love to hear. So thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.